Hey, I'm Alex. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to practice your surf pop-up on a balance board. If you're anything like me, you just love to surf, but you live inland, so you have to take surf trips to the ocean every time you want to surf. The only problem with that is by the time you get to the ocean, you're super rusty on your pop-up, super rusty on all your surf skills. You spend the whole trip trying to dial in every single aspect of surfing, and by the time you leave is when you just start to feel comfortable. I've found that doing surf pop-ups on the balance board helps me stay adjusted, and it's one less piece of my surfing that I need adjusted when I get to the ocean. So the first thing you're going to need to do this is a Revolution Swell 2.0 balance board. And I like to take the stoppers off of the bottom because it helps add in a little bit more balance, not having the stoppers on there. So to do this, you just put the balance board on the floor on top of the wheel, both perpendicular to each other. And it's gonna work just like a regular pop-up on a surfboard. So as soon as you get this down on the ground, you're gonna wanna lay on top of it. So once you're down on the board, your hands are gonna be underneath your chest to initiate the pop-up. You want the wheel right in the middle of your body, right on the center line. And as soon as you feel ready, you can pop up. And stay super low to keep your balance. So when you're initiating the pop-up, one of the main things to remember is not to kick off of your feet, off of your toes. You want to kick off of your quads, just like you would off of a surfboard. Just use your feet back here for balance so you don't fall too far one way or the other. And you can use your hand on the ground for a little bit of extra balance if you need to, like I was doing. I've been using a balance board for training for a couple years now. I got a Hawaii trip planned for, it's in about 2 weeks, so just been hitting it really hard, practicing my pop-up, practicing my balance for surfing. So hopefully it's gonna help me out a lot. If you guys wanna catch that, just wait a couple weeks and that vlog will be out. If you guys need a balance board or a GoPro, which is what I always film on, just use the links in my description below and it'll help me get a little bit of credit. Be super grateful. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.